Hey guys, Dan from Trading with Dan here. I hope you guys are all well. Hope you had a great day trading. So just having a look straight away at this 10-minute DMT chart, you can see we're in a bit of a chop zone. From getting short around the green line and taking our profit on this trade, you can see that we basically did just about hit the DMT buy line. Which potentially put us in a buy trade, which was subsequently stopped out. Depending on whether you had the stop loss timeout, which this wick wouldn't have taken you out, or if you didn't get taken out, then you would have got taken out on your stop loss here, where we then turned to a sell, which the market then reversed on that point and started to go up. So I mean, what you can see here now is that we have got a sort of a range bound market. You could say it's potentially a bear flagging out, but it's gone on for quite a bit of time now. But we do have, if you go onto a higher time frame, say the hour, you can see we've got these bullish wicks. But if we do go onto a higher time frame, there is this trend line that you could view as we've broken the larger rising wedge that we have broken, or rising channel, however you particularly want to look at this. Probably more of a wedge that we've actually broken, but you could see with the bullish wicks that we will potentially test the underside of the wedge. So maybe anywhere around here, around 8,800, and then get rejected and then come back down. Or we could be what could be known as a bump and run. So we basically dip underneath, come back in, and then go to shoot through the top. So it's difficult to call. All I'm seeing at the moment that's giving me a bearish bias is if we go to the daily. We do have this bearish divergence going on the daily on a larger time frame, and these obviously can be quite powerful. And then obviously we have the RSI coming down as well. So I mean, this does still look like we're round this ascending wedge pattern. So I mean, we could very easily see prices back around the 7,000 level, but time will tell. So so going back to the DMT indicator, the DMT auto trading. What you can do in a period of time like this, when you have just one second, let me just get rid of these lines. What you can do in a period of time like this, when you have a period of, well, a large candle basically, and then potentially going into a period of consolidation stroke chop, what will happen is, because of the bigger candle, the volatility in this consolidation will be higher than average. So you obviously get these wicks not even wicks, sorry, these where we will break the lines and get some sort of fake out trades. So what you can simply do is, when you get a big move like that, move to a higher time frame, so the 15-minute, and then as you can see, we've not got to the buy line, so we're still potentially in a short trade, depending on exactly how you're operating, how you're trading the indicator. But obviously you would be out if you're using the bot and the trailing profit strategy. But if you are doing the changeover to the sell and holding the sell to change over to a buy, then you are still in the sell trade. So that was just a quick update on that. Thanks for listening, guys. Hopefully we will get some more direction coming in Bitcoin soon. Because a trending market is better for the indicator. I mean, if you stayed on the 10-minute, you're gonna got a couple of losing trades here, or one losing on an offside trade. But you can't have a strategy where you are necessarily going to win every trade. You can have a strategy where you can win a high probability, a high amount of trades, but you're still going to get periods of time always where the market will not be doing what is basically good for your indicator. So we're in one of those periods now. I mean, we did have one of these periods of chop a while back also. If we go back, yeah, so around this area here, we had a bit of an area of chop, and I believe there was another one. Yeah, it was just here. So we had a similar area, but obviously, yeah, we had a similar area. So yeah, yep, here it is. This is the one where we were. Market really couldn't decide where it was going to go. But yeah, so let's see what happens with Bitcoin this week. Remember, today is the CME is a close. It's Martin Luther King Day. So we will see what happens when the CME opens. CME is open soon. Yeah, it'll probably be, I think it'll only be about a few hours now. Yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. I've got some more videos coming up with some more trading psychology. But yeah, that was just a quick update on the DMT indicator. I know there's not much to report apart from a couple of losses. But I mean, I couldn't not do a video, and it seemed like I'm avoiding doing a video just because the indicator wasn't working perfectly. I mean, we caught a couple of beautiful trades recently, so you can't win them all, and obviously we're keeping our losses small and our gains bigger. Our gains big, and that's basically how you trade. Cut your losses, keep your losses small, and run your profits and keep your gains big. And yeah, so yeah, and like yeah, on that whilst I'm talking about that, I mean a lot of top traders, they will be unsuccessful with a high percentage of their trades, but their winners are what makes all their profit up and covers the losses from multiple losing trades that are obviously smaller losses. So yeah, so that's not financial advice, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just for educational purposes. Trading's risky. So yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, and we'll have some more videos coming up soon.